Children, our homework question was to plot a line graph for y square is equal to 4x. So we have to import the matplot library. Import matplotlib dot pyplot as plt. So plt is the alias name, pyplot is the sub module of matplotlib. Now we have to import numpy library also, because we are generating the values, we are plotting the values x and y, and we have to generate the values for x or y by using arrange function. So we have, in our question, we have to generate graph for y square is equal to 4x. So either we have to generate the values for y, or we have to generate the value for x and calculate the value for y. Now we have y square is equal to 4x. So y is equal to square root of 4x, or we can do y square is equal to 4x, x is equal to y square by 4. Either we can do like this. So first we have to generate the value for y by using the arrange function. So we can write y is equal to np dot arrange in bracket 50 values we will generate for y. First we can generate just 10 values. So 10 values we will generate for y. So y is an array. Then we have to generate the value for x. So x is equal to y star star 2, that is y square by 2 by 4. So for every value of y, x will be computed based on this formula. So every value of y, x will be y square by 4. Now we have to plot the graph. So we have the alias name plt. So plt dot plot. So plot is the function to plot a line chart. So plt dot plot in bracket x and y. So x comma y. Then this plot function will just plot the graph. We have to display the graph. For that we have the function plt dot show. So this is the line graph which is obtained from x and y. So let us just print this x and y. Let us see the values of x and y. Print x, print y. Now we can put a title for this. It is not this x and y values are not displayed in the interpreter, but in our computer we can see the values of x and y also. So plt dot title in bracket in single quotes y square is equal to so here the title is obtained. Now if I give here 50 values will be generated. Okay, thank you children.